last evening actually. Still just staring at the mountains. Little waterfalls. Glacier back here. Distance. I assume it's fishing nets. Well, it could be crab pots, but I'm pretty sure it's fishing nets. I'll zoom in. There's a couple. And then there's a couple right there. Alright. Okay. I think we're coming over here, which may be our dock area. Cat thinks it might be Whittier. Oh. Okay. But anyway, there's some lights and boats and stuff here, which is not normal for...
Look where the flashing is, I think is where Whittier might be.
So we might be about to be docking and be done.
You should zoom into all the birds.
I hear the birds. I certainly can't see them.
There's thousands.
Okay, let me zoom in.